Have you ever noticed the tiny creature under Nataraja's foot? Small body, twisted limbs, eyes filled with fear. Most people look at the majestic dance of Nataraja but never notice the being struggling beneath him. This creature is called Apasmara. In the south, he is also known as Muyalaka, a dwarf-like figure with a haunted expression, half human, half shadow. Frozen in that exact moment of being crushed, you will find him on almost every Nataraja statue, in temples, in museums, in ancient Chola bronzes. But who is Apasmara? And why does Shiva choose to dance on him? Here is a forgotten story. Long ago in the forest of great sages, ego slowly crept into their hearts. Their rituals became weapons. Their knowledge turned into arrogance. From one of their fire sacrifices emerged strange beings. Serpents, beasts, and finally a dwarf. Not an ordinary dwarf, a creature born from confusion, from ego, from spiritual blindness. This dwarf was Apasmara, the force of ignorance itself. He wandered across the world spreading delusion, making the wise forget their wisdom, making the proud believe they were invincible. The sages lost control. Their creation began destroying the very knowledge they worshipped. So Shiva appeared, not as a warrior, not with weapons, but as Nataraja, the cosmic dancer. With a calm smile on his face, he raised one foot and placed it firmly, unshakably on Apasmara, not to kill him, but to keep him restrained, because ignorance can never be destroyed completely. If it vanished forever, knowledge would lose its meaning. So Apasmara lives, but always under Shiva's foot, never allowed to rise, never allowed to rule the mind. That's why every Nataraja shows the same movement, Shiva dancing the universe into harmony, while his foot keeps ignorance pinned to the ground. Next time you see a Nataraja statue, look closely. See the tiny dwarf trying to crawl out, his hand pushing forward, his head lifted in one final attempt to rise. For centuries, that image has taught us a simple truth. To grow, you must hold your ignorance calm. Stories like this remind us why it matters to know our culture. If you enjoyed watching this story, comment Om Namah Shivaya and follow the Temple Girl for more secrets hidden in our temples.